titanium exhaust system on the new 2022 Hayabusa. Really a sharp bike. This is the first one we got in white. Absolutely beautiful. It's got the blue matte accents on it. Just a gorgeous bike. Sounds really good now with the new Brock's exhaust system. A weight savings of over 35 pounds as well over the stock exhaust system. Just a gorgeous. This thing is actually going to perform extremely well and look sharp as well. It's really good looking. Look at the oval tip there, the CT. These are some of the best performing exhaust systems you can get on the market today, and certainly on the highest performance motorcycle available today, the new GSXX 1300RR, which is actually the new Hayabusa letter designations on these. So very cool bike. So hope to see you soon. Yep. Right here, let's get down here and give a little tone. Yep. Wicked sound. As soon as we're able to tune these in, they're really going to perform well.